Hello and welcome back to this video. In the last video, I showed you and I told you guys that we are going to start creating our first Facebook ad. And I've tried in the last couple of minutes to create a Facebook page and I can't be able to create one. I don't know what's wrong with Facebook anyways, because I have tried so many times, so many ways to create a Facebook page and it's not working. So what did I do? I used one of my Facebook accounts I used before for running ads for my businesses to decide to continue this video. I've dropped a video that will help you to troubleshoot your own Facebook page, because I don't know, maybe my own is a new Facebook, that's why they don't want me to create a new Facebook page, right? And they restricted me in 5 days before I can be able to create a new Facebook page. So I have to just use this particular one now to fasten this tutorial. So before we jump into the main thing, which is creating our first Facebook ad, there's some things I would like you to understand, and there are things I want you to know about Facebook pages and also Facebook ads. One, please go and read the Facebook ad policies and terms and conditions so that you understand what is accepted on Facebook. Second, Facebook doesn't like when you are promoting pornography. You can promote pornography something on Facebook and they will accept it. They will restrict the page, they will restrict your profile, and they will restrict your business manager. Right? There are different ways you can troubleshoot all these things. I think I'll drop the videos. I'm going to drop the links that will help you to see how to reply to messages on Facebook whenever you have restrictions on Facebook. Now, on your Facebook page, you can name it anything. You can name your Facebook page anything. And there's some certain things that you need to do on your Facebook page. Your Facebook page must have a name. It must have a profile picture and a cover picture. Make it to be a personalized Facebook page or a business page. Now add more content, like add your contact information, your about us, your website link. It can be your WhatsApp link where somebody can click and come to your WhatsApp and you reply to that person. Now there's another thing that I'm going to show you in this course and in these videos. That thing is how to restrict people from commenting under your ad post. Most times, if you are running ad on Facebook, you will see people who are commenting under your page that you are a scammer, you are a fraudster, all these things. Probably you are selling digital product on the internet. They will come for you. They will come and be telling you that it's not. They have come again. Internet marketers. They are liars. So I'm going to show you how to filter out those things, because some of this content, some of these comments, will make somebody not to click on your ad to buy whatever you want to sell. Right now, I'm going to show you how to restrict those words, how to filter it out from your Facebook comment sections, and it's very, very easy to do. I'm going to show you guys this in the next video. Now, another thing you need to understand about Facebook pages, if you do it the right way, you will get results. Right? There are two ways to advertise on Facebook. Most times people use their normal Facebook profile like this and advertise on Facebook. For me, I don't use it. Right? I don't use it like this. That's how I do my own Facebook page or advertising. One is to know the kind of thing I'm promoting, and also know to discover the audience that need it. Now there are two ways again on Facebook ads. Some people use broad targeting. I'm going to be showing you all these things on Facebook while we start running ads. Right? We use broad targeting, or you use custom audience. Right? We create our own audience, select our few states we want to target. All these things will happen while this trend is still coming up. So one thing I normally do on Facebook pages, if I want to get more tractions, there's some certain things that I normally do. First of all is I'll first of all post the content of that page before going to the Facebook main ad manager to advertise it. This helps me to retain customers and also help me to retain content, likes, reactions on the post. Because most times, if you're running ad on Facebook, when somebody clicks on that ad and come to your Facebook page, they are likely not to see that post, because you created the post on the business manager, so they are not seeing it on the Facebook page. So there are two different things that will happen here. One is when they click there and they see anything on your Facebook page, they will tag you as a scammer, that you don't know what you are doing. So most times, what you need to just do is when you create a new Facebook page or the page you are using to run adverts, make sure you update these pages, post consistently on these pages, so that it will grow more reactions and also grow more people to trust your brand. No matter what you are selling, no matter what you are trying to do in your business, there will be a time that people will come to your page and they will not see any post, and they are seeing your ad. It looks as if you are not doing something profitable, or you are not a genuine person All right, and because people in Nigeria now, we have this resistance spirit they have, because anytime you see somebody selling things online, we have people who will counter it. So on your Facebook page, you need to post the content first of all on your Facebook page, so that anytime you are running ad, if somebody click on the Facebook page to see who you are, they will see your Facebook page and see what you have been posting. And the constant time you post something on your Facebook matters a lot. So you must be posting every single day to grow your Facebook page organically as well. Then using Facebook ad now will help your page to even grow more faster. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how your Facebook page is supposed to look like, the things you need to do, and also how to filter out those words, right? So that it will not appear under your Facebook ad comment sections. Because most time you can be running ad on Facebook, you'll be seeing people commenting, you are a scammer, all these things. It's going to maybe probably make you to feel so discouraged to continue running that ad. So I'm going to be showing also how to spy on your competitors' ad, and also how to find out hidden Facebook ad audience that you can use on your Facebook campaigns to get more sales and also get more reach. So that's going to be all for this video, and in the next video I'm going to show you all these things step by step, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.